How to fix engine malfunction reduced power issues.
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to discuss a common problem many drivers experience, the dreaded engine malfunction reduced power warning. This typically indicates a serious problem with your vehicle's engine that is causing it to operate at reduced power. This video will guide you through basic steps to troubleshoot and potentially fix this issue yourself. Always remember, safety first, and if you're unsure about something, consult a professional.
What is engine malfunction reduced power?
This warning typically shows up on your vehicle's dashboard, and it signifies that your vehicle's computer, or ECU, has detected a problem with the engine that could cause damage if full power were provided. This is usually a protective measure taken by your vehicle to prevent further damage.
Identifying the issue.
The first step in fixing this problem is to identify what's causing it. The issue is often with the engine, transmission, or throttle system, so it's essential to do a diagnostic scan. This scan can be done with an OBD2 scanner that you plug into your vehicle's OBD2 port. This scanner will read the error code that caused the warning.
Common causes and solutions.
After you've gotten the error code from the diagnostic scan, it's time to look into the potential causes. Here are a few common ones. 1. Throttle actuator. The throttle actuator controls the amount of air entering the engine. If it's malfunctioning, it could cause the vehicle to go into a reduced power mode. Replacing or repairing the throttle actuator can often fix this issue. 2. Engine control unit, ECU. The ECU could have a software issue, causing it to misinterpret signals and go into reduced power mode. Updating or resetting the ECU can often solve this problem. 3. Faulty sensors. Many sensors feed information to the ECU about the engine's conditions. If these sensors are giving incorrect information, they could trigger the reduced power mode. Replacing the faulty sensors can usually resolve this issue.
Seek professional help if necessary.
If you're not able to identify or fix the issue yourself, it may be time to seek help from a professional. An experienced mechanic can accurately diagnose and fix the problem, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and safely. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding and troubleshooting the engine malfunction reduced power issue. Remember that while these steps can help you diagnose and sometimes fix the problem, it's always best to consult with a professional when in doubt. Thank you for watching, and happy driving!